Hey everybody, this is Eska with Lenovo Data Center here in Mooresville, North Carolina on the Lenovo campus, Building 8. Today we're going to be talking about ThinkAgileHX, which is a partnership that we have with the leading hyperconverged infrastructure player in the market, Nutanix. Today I'm actually joined by my son, Landon, my daughter, Miranda. They helped me draw some of the pictures that we put up here today as we're having this discussion. So let me remind you, people come to Lenovo when they want to increase profitability, get to market quicker, and retain IT employee talent. Nutanix is probably the best way, or the relationship that we've had with Nutanix is probably the best way to hit all of those. Let me kind of explain how it works. In a typical environment, you have an application that is virtualized, running on a virtualization platform, your choice, and then there's a server that manages that virtualization layer. Those servers, through a storage area network fabric, or through some type of network fabric, talk to your storage platform, your SAN or your NAS. What ends up happening though, from a time spent perspective, is that we have to manage the resources. Time spent here at the server layer, time spent here at the switch layer, and time spent here at the storage layer. Now, day in, day out management, it's kind of easy, it doesn't take a lot of time. However, when we start talking about upgrades or transitions to the code, and you have to balance this resource with this resource with this resource to maintain the high availability of the applications, it gets a little cumbersome. By the same token, when we're making our capital investment in the hardware, we have to spend money here at the server level every 3 to 5 years. We have a network transition as well, 3 to 5 years, and then we have a storage transition as well, again 3 to 5 years. And that gets kind of cumbersome as well. So if you start looking at time being money, and then money spent for the acquisition of the hardware, there's a lot of moving pieces there. Not to mention, they don't necessarily line up, so when we upgrade our storage, we're taking our applications down because that is the only place that your applications have access to their data. Nutanix does these things totally different. So what Nutanix does is they take the server widget, which includes the processor, memory, and storage, and they wrap a software layer around the virtualization layer as well. They give you a single pane of glass to manage all of these resources. So, from a time spent perspective, it's right here. All of your provisioning is done in this single pane of glass. All of your upgrades are done from the single pane of glass. And the upgrades affect your hypervisor, your hardware, your storage inside of it, wherever appropriate. The other thing is, from a cost perspective, your costs are very linear. Based on the workloads that you're running in your environment, that's pretty much where your cost is going to line up. Hey, I'm running this many VMs, I need these types of servers, I'm adding more VMs, I just add the same type of server. Again, that transition in and out of resources is also managed by the same pane of glass. So again, people come to Lenovo to increase profitability, get to market quicker, and retain IT talent. If you have any questions, DM me below, like the video, or share it so that way we can get out to the rest of the world. Love to talk to you more about it from Lenovo. Thanks.